Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Select the part you want to scale in the Explorer panel. Open the Properties panel if it is not visible. Open the Size field and enter 3 numbers in studs separated by commas like 4, 2, 1, 5. Press Enter to apply the new dimensions and watch the part update instantly. Using exact numbers keeps sizing consistent across multiple parts and avoids guesswork. This method is the single reliable way to get precise scale values every time. To scale uniformly, multiply each size component by the same factor. For example, change 2, 1, 1, 5 to 4, 2, 3 to double the part dimensions. Enter values like 2, 2, 2 to keep proportions exactly balanced across X, Y, and Z. When scaling groups, select each part and apply identical numeric changes to maintain consistent proportions. Using precise multipliers ensures matching geometry and simplifies. Anchor the part before changing size to prevent unintended movement while scaling. With the part anchored, edit the size values and confirm the part stays locked in place. This preserves alignment with other objects and prevents physics from shifting parts during resizing. After you finish scaling and verify placement, unanchor if you need the part to interact with physics. Anchoring during sizing is essential for precise layout and reliable scene composition in Roblox Studio.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.